Okay, so the first step in installing your spoil board is making sure you have the proper gasketing between your CNC's Bakelite surface and the underside of your MDF spoil board. You can see here that the channels cut in the bed of my CNC for the gasketing are square, but the gasketing material itself is round. Now this works great to create that seal that you need between your vacuum table and the underside of your spoil board, but there is an upgrade. By replacing this round gasketing that will never completely fill this square channel that it's in with this perfectly designed gasket, you can see the difference of how much better and tight of a fit this will be underneath your spoil board. Now this All-Star grid gasketing is an upgrade option that you can get directly from Phantom. The tightest gasketing fit possible between the surface bed of your CNC and the underside of your spoil board is only going to maximize your vacuum table's efficiency. Now I'll just take my All-Star gasketing and go around and customize the length for all of the zones on my vacuum table. It's that easy to upgrade your grid gasketing, improve your vacuum table's efficiency, and step up your spoil board hold down.